Hello student, very good morning. I am Ranjit sir and today we are going to see division of polynomial by synthetic division method. Student, here practice set 3.3, very first question is that is division of polynomials. So there are two methods you are going to see in this practice set, that is 3.3. First, division of polynomials by synthetic method and second by linear division method. Now student, this is called as dividend. So first we'll write dividend. Dividend is what, student? You will write 2m square minus 3m and plus 10. So this is the dividend. And while solving division of polynomial by synthetic division method, you have to write dividend in coefficient form. So then you will write what? Dividend in coefficient form, CF, that is coefficient form. So how will you write, student? This will be 2 comma this will be minus 3 and this is what? Plus 10. So this is dividend in coefficient form. Now second step is what? Divisor. What is divisor, student? Here divisor is m minus 5. So right here divisor is m minus 5. And what is opposite of minus 5, student? Minus 5. Opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. So right here opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. Clear? So dividend is what? 2m square minus 3m plus 10. Dividend in coefficient form is what? 2 comma minus 3 and 10. And divisor is what? M minus 5. And opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. Now how will divide? First we'll write the coefficient form of dividend. This is what? 2 minus 3 and then plus 5. And divisor, the opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. Opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. So this is what? 2. Just you write down this 2 here below the arrow. And then you will multiply this 2 5s are 10. You have to add these 2. So 10 and this is minus 3. So you will get what? Plus 7. Again you multiply 7 with 5. So 7 5s are 35. And 35 plus 5 is what? 40. Clear? Not here 5, here is 10. Here is 10. So this is what? 10 plus 35 is what? 45. So this last term, this is called as remainder. This is called as remainder. And this is what? Quotient. So write what? Quotient. Quotient in coefficient form. Quotient in coefficient form is given to you, that is what? 2 comma 7, and therefore quotient is student what? This is what? Coefficient form, already in standard form, so you will use the variable m because the question is given in variable m. So you will write what? 2m plus 7. So your quotient is what? 2m plus 7 and remainder is what, student? Remainder is 45. Remainder is 45. So quotient is 2m plus 7 and remainder is 45. This much you have to perform in this question, division of polynomials by synthetic division method. Okay, student? So next question we'll see in next video. Have a nice day.